हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल जी के अपडेट विद उन्नति। अगर आप चैनल में न्यू हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर करें एंड नोटिफिकेशन बेल ऑन कर लें, जिससे आपको हमारे न्यू वीडियो की अपडेट मिलती रहे। तो आज के वीडियो में हम 8 जुलाई 2025 के टॉप 30 करंट अफेयर MCQs गो थ्रू करेंगे, जो कि आपके अपकमिंग एग्जाम्स के लिए इम्पॉर्टेंट है। वीडियो के लास्ट में क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे रहता है, जिसका आंसर आपको कमेंट करके बताना होता है। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। वेयर हैज द फर्स्ट UPI पावर्ड बैंक ब्रांच बीन लॉन्च्ड? एंड द आंसर इज बेंगलुरु। Second question, how many medals did India win in the Asian Para Archery Championships 2025? And the answer is 9 medals. Third question, which countries have recently become members of the New Development Bank, that is NDB? And the answer is Colombia and Uzbekistan. Fourth question, who received the key to the city of Buenos Aires during his recent official visit to Argentina? And the answer is Narendra Modi. Fifth question, recently how many medals did the Indian boxing contingent won at the World Boxing Cup 2025? And the answer is 11 medals. Sixth question, recently the Indian women's football team qualified for the 2026 AFC Women's Asian Cup 2026. It will host by which country? And the answer is Australia. Seventh question, which institute has launched Bharat Biomarkers of Healthy Aging, Resilience, Adversity and Transitions Initiative? And the answer is Indian Institute of Science, Bengaluru. Eighth question, Indian astronaut Subhanshu Shukla recently interacted with students from the International Space Station using which radio service? And the answer is amateur radio. Ninth question, which month has been designated as Sarcoma Cancer Awareness Month? And the answer is July. 10th question, the term Girmitias recently mentioned in news refers to which group of people? And the answer is Indian indentured laborers sent to British colonies. 11th question, who has recently been appointed as the new CEO of International Cricket Council? And the answer is Sanjog Gupta. 12th question, recently Dr. Jitendra Singh inaugurated the Phenome India National Biobank in which city? And the answer is New Delhi. 13th question, recently Elon Musk introduced the formation of a new political party in USA with what name? And the answer is America Party. 14th question, Microsoft has recently shut down its business in which country? And the answer is Pakistan. 15th question, who became the second Indian women player to take 100 wickets in women's T20 cricket? And the answer is Radha Yadav. 16th question, which team made history at Edgbaston on July 6, 2025 by winning a test match at the venue for the first time ever? And the answer is India. 17th question, which state became the first state to use Face ID authentication for ration? And the answer is Himachal Pradesh. 18th question. According to the latest World Bank report, what is India's rank among the most equal countries? And the answer is 4th. 19th question. India has qualified for the 2026 AFC Women Asia Cup football tournament by defeating which team? And the answer is Thailand. 20th question. Who is assumed additional charge as Chairman and Managing Director of NHPC Limited? And the answer is Rajendra Prasad Goyal. 21st question. Which company has patented India's first indigenous defense drone simulator? And the answer is IG Drones. 22nd question. Which state became India's third to cross 1 crore registered stock market investor? And the answer is Gujarat. 23rd question. Who has been appointed as the new CEO of the Reserve Bank Innovation Hub? And the answer is Sahil Kini. 24th question. Who was officially appointed as Prime Minister of South Korea? And the answer is Kim Min Seok. 25th question. Where has India set up its first equine disease-free compartment in July 2025? And the answer is Meerut Cantonment. 26th question. Which Indian Union territory has emerged as a frontrunner in the National Tuberculosis Elimination Program? And the answer is Puducherry. 27th question. Which bank from the UAE became the first bank to set up a unit in India's gift city? And the answer is Mashreq. 28th question. Who has been elected as the first woman president of Suriname in July 2025? And the answer is Jennifer Simons. 29th question. Which organization has launched a global health initiative called 3x35 in July 2025? And the answer is WHO. And the last 30th question. Who has been appointed as the co-chair of the women's wing of the BRICS Chamber of Commerce and Industry in July 2025? And the answer is Priyanka Kakkar. तो ये थे 8 जुलाई 2025 के टॉप 30 करंट अफेयर MCQs और अब आते हैं क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे पे। तो आज का क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे है विच कंपनी हैज़ बीन अलाउड टू लॉन्च इंडियाज फर्स्ट प्राइवेट स्पेस बेस्ड इंटरनेट सर्विस। तो इस क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट ऑप्शन आपको आंसर करना है कमेंट सेक्शन में।